Hey guys, Up7 here. Today we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing my awesome gate card I just got, and I got this awesome Dragonoid. Please. Ah, it's been dead. There we go. Nah, I'm just kidding around. Alright. Today we're actually going to be reviewing what no one expected a truck to be back like this. I didn't expect this. The actual Bakugan truck for Monster Jam. I didn't expect this either. So this is honestly my favorite. Oh, hold on. This is my favorite Bakugan Dragonoid. He has been a really cool Bakugan since I've been watching it for a long time. It's been like how long? 10 years, right? Since it's
The show's been the show started in like 2008, I'd say.
Yeah, that's so long.
They've had a couple renditions since then, but like last year they announced the Bakugan Dragonoid truck driven by Camden Murphy.
Yeah.
And we are just now picking it up, but now that it's in its yellow color scheme, which I thought is pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's made by Spin Master. I mean, of course, but it's really cool how Spin Master made this truck. They did a really good job making the yellow. I honestly want, if there's a red one, right? There's a red one. Okay. So anyway, so we got this. It's got the authentic, and you got the Bakugan Dragonoid. The backside, here's all the trucks you can get. Gravedigger. Hold up. You got Gravedigger up here, if you can see that. Zombie, Mohawk Warrior, Max D, Monster Mutt Dalmatian. What's that truck called? Octinian?
October.
Oh,
Octonder. I think that's what it says.
Octonder. I don't even know either. And Jurassic Attack. So that's it. We're gonna be unboxing it.
But Dragonoid, you can open it.
Oh, okay.
Dragonoid is actually, well, Bakugan in general, they're another Spin Master company. So that's why Spin Master made that partnership with them.
This is so cool.
Yeah. What's funny is the Dragonoid truck is the same thing as the Hot Wheels truck used to be, because Hot Wheels is who made the toys. Now Spin Master makes the toys, and Dragos is basically their mascot, which I thought is pretty cool. Yeah. So
I've always liked this truck against Gravedigger.
This truck serves like the same purpose that the Hot Wheels truck did when Hot Wheels made the toys.
This is my favorite part. The top part says Bakugan on it, and then the head right here is the head of Dragonoid.
It's a very crazy body. It's got the wheels there.
It's got the wings. Oh my gosh.
I mean, not the wheels. The wings there, and they actually bend a little bit. But this body must cost thousands to make, and it's at a lot of shows. I think. Whoa, that goes up and down.
Oh my gosh.
Horn.
Got the yellow.
It's like a dandelion shade of yellow. It's very nice. You got the more detailed Monster Jam tires that the Spin Master company does. Hot Wheels did pretty cool tires as well on the monster trucks, but Spin Master's a little more squared, and I think they look a little more aggressive, the tread pattern. Got the BKT detail. The tail on the Dragonoid's pretty cool too, the spiked tail. You got another Bakugan logo on the top. Once again, the horn, the front horn is actually, you can move it for some reason. It's interesting. But that is pretty cool. We've been wanting to pick this truck up, but then we found it in yellow, so we're like, oh, we'll get the yellow version.
Well, what do you call it though? I've been looking everywhere for this truck, and I didn't even know, like, or at first, like, when I couldn't find it, I thought it didn't even exist as a toy in the first place. But now that I have it, so happy to get it and review it.
And this is a little added bonus. This is a Dragonoid video, but we were talking about what truck that is on the back. The Octonder truck, or it's, you know, here it is. I was trying to show you the back. We were trying to see what this truck was on the back of the Dragonoid box, and then we actually ended up getting it anyway, so we're just going to open this one up as well. This, I don't know how to say the name. I don't know if that means something, an Octonder. I don't know what that is, but this is a octopus-themed fantasy truck that Spin Master did with these crazy blue wheels. Crazy.
Wait, hold up. I didn't, oh, okay.
What are you waiting for? I mean, what are you going to show them?
Look at this. The arm can move. I just realized.
Yep.
That's cool.
The arm can
That
move
was something little. I just realized.
And on this Octonder truck, honestly, I don't know if the blue and burgundy color combination works at all. Like the wheels, the blue, and then like the brownish red. I don't think it looks very good. But the body's pretty crazy. It's just an octopus. And that's really all it is. It's an octopus on top of a monster truck.
Only tentacles.
Weird truck, but we got this as well because it's something we don't have. And figured we'd throw it onto the Bakugan video. This one's got actually a see-through chassis, which is pretty cool. It's clear. And on the Bakugan truck, it is.
I wonder if they made a show where it's like all blue tires, so they're just revealing it right here.
That's weird. I didn't realize that the Spin Master trucks have a circle bottom here. The Hot Wheels trucks had the Spin Master trucks have a square chassis here. The Hot Wheels monster trucks had a circle in this place.
I never knew that, actually. That's true.
Yeah, that's interesting. A lot of slight changes, but they do stay true to the Hot Wheels design. They look the same.
They're trying their best, but honestly, I'm really proud of them.
Yeah, Spin Master did a good job. We were really nervous when they transferred over.
Oh, heck yeah. Because, like, all the other ones, they're really bad, in my opinion.
The Hot Wheels monster trucks are very good. The new ones now. The Hot Wheels Monster Jam used to be great, but the Hot Wheels monster trucks are corny and the wheels are too big and they don't look realistic. But I'm glad that Spin Master took up the reins and has done a good job. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye.